Dr. Zakir Naik's Nigeria tour on 8th, 9th, 14th, 15th and 16th June. Venue, Old Parade Ground adjacent to Defence Headquarters, Abuja, Nigeria. Inshallah, on Saturday, 8 June 2013 at 11 a.m. Witness Dr. Zakir Naik's comparative analysis in public on concept of God in major world religions. On Sunday, 9 June 2013 at 3:30 p.m. Watch Dr. Zakir Naik enlighten the public on similarities between Islam and Christianity. Venue, Sky Pavilion, Adebola House, Opebi, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Inshallah, on Friday, 14 June 2013 at 3:30 p.m. Join Fariq Zakir Naik, son of Dr. Zakir Naik, in his public presentation on religion in the right perspective, followed by an open question and answer session by Dr. Zakir Naik. On Saturday, 15 June 2013 at 10 a.m. Join Dr. Zakir Naik in his apt analysis in public on Salaah, the programming towards righteousness. On Sunday, 16 June 2013 at 10 a.m. Witness Dr. Zakir Naik's insightful critique in public on media and Islam, war or peace. It's a unique opportunity not to be missed. Dr. Zakir Naik's Nigeria tour.